So, some theists from school have been asking me, since I don't believe in the Bible's story, what is the origin of life from my perspective. I've been thinking, and I've put together some basic facts from abiogenesis, and this is what I consider to be true. The universe built itself by building up more and more complex things. Galaxies, stars, and atoms arranged around them by themselves from what was produced by the Big Bang. First generation stars have heavy elements such as oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. The stars then aged, and the elements escaped. We are made of the particles from these stars. That's right, we're made from star bits. Gravity allowed new stars and planets to form. Through evolution, we emerged. From tiny cells similar to bacteria, multiplied, mutated, complicated, and eventually created everything we have on Earth today, including all of us. Thinking about all of this, you can either think it happened because nature is simply the way it is, or you can believe God somehow had a part in it all. Because we are aware that the laws of nature are self-sufficient, because of them, everything came from the fundamental particles, I can say reasonably, and so can you, that the laws would let life originate randomly or with spontaneity through the buildup of complicated forms, no matter if we think God had a part in it or not. After all of this, we can reasonably understand that there is an origin of life through natural causes, whether you are an atheist or a theist. That is the basics of what I am settling for as an answer. So now, I ask you, what is the origin of life?